Your business is growing and telecommunications management is getting overwhelming, so you've decided to rethink your TEM solution. Choosing the right vendor can be a difficult task, and understanding the key points of your contract and SOW can be even harder. Worst of all, months will pass before you see the symptoms of your broken TEM solution. Difficulties implementing data, a lack of visibility and clarity, creeping telecommunications costs, and an inability to deliver tangible value. Technology Advisory Solutions is here to help. From proper solution and vendor selection to contract and statement of work design, TAS will get your TEM relationship started on the right foot. Already committed to a TEM vendor, TAS can help repair, monitor, and enhance your relationship with your existing vendor in order to get you the year-over-year value you deserve. Call Technology Advisory Solutions today to see how we can help you take your TEM solution to the next level.